The saw is a hand tool for cutting wood and other materials. The saw has a long, thin, serrated steel blade. Using a backward and forward movement, the teeth of the blade chew through the material. Use your shoulders and body while operating the saw. Avoid using T-Rex arms while cutting. This limits the saw length and will create more movement to cut. Never use a chopping motion with the saw. This will bend the teeth of the saw, leading to inaccurate cuts in the future. Draw a line to act as a guide as you cut. Place the saw on the line and pull back several times to create a groove in the wood. Keep your saw perpendicular to the ground as you cut to follow the lines. As you near the end of your cut, hold the part of the wood that's unclamped to prevent the wood from splintering. Be safe and good luck.